I had applied to a bunch of colleges around Florida, and I was waiting for the calls, and I remember that it was a snowy day in New York in my campus. I was walking back to my hall. I was exhausted. It was a long day. And I get a call, and the first thing she tells me on the phone is that, "Congratulations, you got accepted to Lynn." I was stoked right there and then. Once I came into the school, I fell in love with it. So I couldn't have taken it for granted, just go to college, graduate, that's it. I really wanted to make something of myself. My first job here at Lynn was actually the IT department. I did learn a lot about customer service. It did show me a lot about technology, and at the time I was able to form part of the iPad mini revolution that we had at Lynn. I had the honor or the opportunity to try the Future Leaders of Tomorrow, which was a program placed by Career Connections. Basically what it is that it's a 3-week program, which is like a little demo of something that the Boca Chamber of Commerce does for actually business people, where they take people from business to business. One of the big things that I got from there was simply how to network, which is a huge thing, especially in the business world. I was still working with the Boca Chamber of Commerce when I got a phone call from Cameron saying, "Hey, we got this cool internship opportunity with GoPro, would you like to apply?" And I was, hell yeah, why not? In my case, I was in charge of 13 stores around Boca Raton, so I went from Coral Springs all the way to Jupiter. Honestly, I was not friendly to my professors, if I was not friendly with the staff, with the faculty of the university, if I didn't try to help in any way or attend events, I don't think I would have gotten the internship at GoPro. KOR is the Knight of the Round Table, which are the student government here at Lynn. So my job here is just to make sure to have an open channel between faculty and students, to make sure that students are happy with all that, the IT department, all the technology at Lynn. So to really get all the juice out of the Lynn experience is by just being a friendly person. Always try to see those opportunities, because Lynn is full of opportunities, whether it is with internships in campus, part-time jobs in campus. For those who really want to be part of something big, Lynn is the right place.